Mohamed Salah scuttled to the tunnel, his right hand rubbing repeatedly on his head as if he was trying to physically clear his mind. Liverpool had the course of this Champions League quarter-final firmly under control, so much so that Jurgen Klopp appeared to take on the pose of a contented school teacher for much of the opening 45 minutes, as he stood with his arms behind his back and nodded in appreciation. Here was a Liverpool team in slick working order, with Thiago Alcantara hitting fades from midfield that would not be out of place at Augusta over the next few days, Luis Diaz going around bends as if he was on Scale Electric's track, and Ibrahima Konate showing again what a good signing he has been. There was, however, an exception. We have been so used to seeing Salah play football from another realm this season that when things dip, it becomes noticeable. It's not that Egyptian was bad, by any means, but his desperation for a goal was increasingly apparent. So when Trent Alexander-Arnold sent him galloping away on the stroke of half-time, you felt this would be the moment. The first touch got the situation under control, the next had him closing in on goal, the third, you anticipated, would be the one to finish things, but that wasn't the case. Vlachodimos, Benfica's goalkeeper, stood tall and Salah fired straight at him. You could see, immediately, that the 29-year-old was vexed because the head-rubbing and grimacing started and Klopp sprang into life, imploring his star man to keep his spirits up. Easier said than done. Salah, over the course of the past month, has been in one of those sequences where things haven't happened as naturally as they were at the beginning of the campaign, when he was turning defenders inside out and moving past them as if he was controlled by a joystick. Strange as it may seem, Salah has not scored a goal in open play since February 19 against Norwich. The three that have followed since, against Leeds, 2, and Brighton, all came from the penalty spot, the last at the Amex Stadium being on March 12. This is not, by any means, the worst sequence Salah has had to weather at Anfield. In the 2018-19 campaign, he went from February 19 to April 5 without scoring 8 games, but once the drought ended, with a mesmerizing dribble at Southampton, another 7 followed.